In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic AI structure transformation completely for free. First, copy the master prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will ask you to select the structure, environment, and whether you want image prompts, video prompts, or both. For this example, I'm choosing a shipping container in a forest environment, and I want both image and video prompts. ChatGPT will now generate 3 detailed image prompts and 2 cinematic video prompts. Now let's generate the images. I'm using Flow AI because it's completely free and produces high-quality results. Open Flow AI and click on New Project. You can copy my settings if you want the same results. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the base image prompt. Paste it into Flow AI and click Generate. And download it. If you're not satisfied, you can generate more. It's totally free. Now this next step is very important. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. In Flow AI, click on the image you just generated. This ensures consistency. Now paste the second prompt and click Generate. Flow will modify the original image instead of creating something completely new. This makes the transformation look realistic and smooth. Download the second image. Now repeat the same process for the third image. Copy the third prompt from ChatGPT, click on your second image inside Flow, paste the prompt, and generate. Download the final image. Now we have 3 stages: the abandoned version, the mid-construction version, and the final completed version. Next, we turn these into a cinematic video. Flow allows you to generate 5 clips for free. Open the video settings and copy my settings if you want the same look. For the first clip, select the abandoned image as the start frame, construction image as the end frame. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Paste it into Flow and click Generate. Wait a few seconds. First transformation clip is ready. Now for the second clip, set the mid-construction image as the start frame and the final image as the end frame. Copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, and generate again. Once both clips are ready, download them. Now for editing. I'm using Filmora, but you can use any video editor you like. Import both clips into the timeline, adjust the timing, and that's it. Just like that, you've created a cinematic AI transformation video completely for free. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment what structure you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one.